Breaking news coming in now. India Today has scooped the details of the CBI meeting that's taken place today. CBI team members were part of meeting held today. Will be reaching Mumbai later tonight. The CBI team will first try to establish if it's a case of murder or suicide. To rule out murder, the crime spot examination, autopsy examination and forensic examination at the crime scene will be done first. Munish Pandey live with us. Munish, take us through these latest details you've accessed.
Yeah, well, sure, this was a very crucial meeting, and that is why today's plan of going to Mumbai was cancelled yesterday. Now, what we have been given to understand is that the SIT team will be reaching Mumbai, and their first priority after this meeting, it has been decided that their first priority is to establish whether it's a case of suicide or murder. And to rule out murder, the crime spot examination is going to be very important. A team of forensic experts will also be going along with the SIT team, which is probing the case, and they will first go to the spot and they will try to establish that under what circumstances Sushant Singh Rajput died. Also, they will be taking help of Mumbai police to understand that what were the furnitures at that point of time kept at what places in that flat, and also what were the material used to the alleged suicide during the alleged suicide of Sushant Singh Rajput. So this is going to be very important. Second, they will be taking photographs from Mumbai police, because Mumbai police is still in possession of the photographs which were clicked when Sushant Singh Rajput's body was found. After that photograph is taken from Mumbai police, the forensic experts will give their opinion that it can be case of suicide or murder. So this is going to be very crucial. The third point which is going to be is that there should be a cordial relationship between Mumbai police and the Central Bureau of Investigation. That is why a nodal officer from CBI has been already appointed by the Central Bureau of Investigation. Now, what CBI sources have told us that they have already recorded statement of more than half dozen. The one part of investigation is almost complete. The one part, I mean to say that the complainant side, they have already recorded statement. Meethu's statement is still left. They will be recording a statement maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow to understand that what their complaint is. They have already recorded statement of the bank employees in the case to understand the financial status of Sushant Singh Rajput and whether any money was taken by Riya Chakravarti or not. So things are moving very fast at this point of time, and CBI claims that they have taken this case very seriously, and multiple teams have been formed to look at every aspect of the case. But the first priority should be whether it's the case of suicide or murder. This has to be found by CBI. Back to you, Shiv.
Munish, so the team is going to be reaching Mumbai tonight and is going to be beginning its work tomorrow. Is that correct?
Absolutely. The work is already in progress, what the CBI is maintaining, and the team of SIT, the senior 4 officials, along with the other members of the SIT, they will be reaching tonight. Now, they have already established a formal contact with the Mumbai police. They have informed that they are coming. They will not be quarantined, and Mumbai police has said that they will be assisting on all the aspects. As far as the crime scene is concerned, Mumbai police has said that they can visit the crime scene. If there is any tampering, the Central Bureau of Investigation will have to take help from the forensic experts, and that is why the forensic team will also be going along with the team of Central Bureau of Investigation. Now, as far as CBI is concerned in Mumbai, the Mumbai officials are already working on this case, and here in Delhi there is one team which is already working on the second aspect of the case, that is the complainant side. But they want to first establish whether it is a case of suicide or murder, because there can be a lot of twists in this case which may be awaiting in this case, and CBI wants to go in a direction which is perfect for them, which is right for them, because there is a lot of political happenings which have taken place over this case.
Thanks very much, Munish.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.